Hi guys, welcome back to yet another episode, one for the love of cars. And today we are reviewing the Toyota CHR model DAAZYX10. Now, it's powered by the 2ZR FXE hybrid engine. Now, if you're looking for a modern crossover with Toyota's trusted hybrid system, this is the model for you.
The love of cars, Uganda. On the streets, the story's right. All the new, they shine with pride. Toyota, Nissan, Benz, or Mazda, we break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's got a tale. Village right to see the scale.
My car journey did not start with a love of speed or shine. It started with frustration. I watched local brokers manipulate buyers. I saw mechanics cut corners. People paying too much for too little.
Why you know one see?
Paso, Vitiz, Sienta, Spacio.
And I could not stand by while our car happiness was stolen from us. That's what lit the fire in me. I wanted to change the narrative, one ride at a time, to make sure everyone could get a decent car at a fair price, to do the inspections others skip, to share real, honest reviews, to give people the knowledge they need to make better choices. Because for me, it's not about the horsepower. It's not about the shine. It's simply for the love of cars. This show is not just about cars. It is about our cars. It is about our journeys. It's about our love of the ride. Welcome to For the Love of Cars.
If you're feeling good, booka, 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 booka.
Now, the Toyota CHR was designed for people who want something sporty, compact, and efficient without stepping into full SUV. Onywa mafuta, nonywa na amasanyalaze. Nenga amasanyalaze gavudde mu mafuta. This is hybrid. Now, this car has something that I really like. It has a dark vibe to it. It has a dark interior. Full leather, full leather. And remember the BMW we talked about? You remember the handbrake? It's here. It's here. Handbrake, Handbrake, Now, this CHR is designed on the Toyota Proven hybrid platform. Same with the Toyota Corolla, the Priuses of the world. Very reliable. Now, thanks to Sai Motors, we were able to get access to this car. What do I love about this car? It has a sporty look. Yeah, and of course, well, the blue logo, signaling hybrid. Every car that you see with this blue logo will be hybrid. And it has these lights that you can have running all day long. And then we have the fog lights that make it look really stylish. I don't know about the extra bumper, because if you are living in places like Chiwunya where you have bad roads, you'll have to rivet them in place. But it's overall stylish. And Bojano Tambura, you see, something that was really strange is how it opens the rear doors. It's not here, it's actually here. It's here, it opens from here.
Just the horsepower. Is it a no or a TX ride? We'll show you what's real, no just a hype. Styling views and engine rolls. We teach you more than just for those. Taking tools from the basics up. Tracking gear and car care stuff. If you're new or a seasoned vet, for the love of cars, you ain't seen nothing yet. Fix it and learn it, drive it proud.
Let's look at the space indoors. Now, when you come here, it doesn't have a lot of space though. It doesn't have a lot of space, but it gives you I love the dark interior. I love the dark interior. And then of course, the Toyota lights that actually give us a lot of light. And it has, well, the seats are really comfortable. It takes 3 people in the rear. And the window, it gives you aeroplane vibes, yeah? It gives you aeroplane vibes. And well, you get a cup holder here, and then a window control here for you, and then it's all auto. And you don't have a USB chargers in the rear, but well, you won't need USB chargers back here. And of course, these seats, they can go down. You pull it, come here. You pull the lever here, and the seat will definitely be going down, and they can all go down. And of course, when they go down, you have plenty more space to work with.
The truth or just a brand for car lovers across the land. For the love of cars, you
Now let's look at the style here. And then of course the hybrid badge, and then of course the blue logo still, like I said, it signals hybrid, and then it has these bumpers that make it look like a spaceship, yeah? Space shuttle, and then of course the CHR badge. Now when the seat goes back, you have extra space to actually load stuff in there. And then of course the spare tire in the back, and then the jug, and then it also comes with a pump for when you just need to put.
we talk the truth or just a brand for car lovers across the land. For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll.
Air yourself, and just like that. Now I want you to come with me, the driver, whatever how it works. Now I have the key. They gave me the key here, and yeah, this is the key. It has the CHR badge here, Toyota CHR, and now it has a gear lever that almost makes you feel like it's manual, but it's not. It's just shaped like that. Like I said, we have the handbrake here. Yeah, it's electronic handbrake. And then you can actually run it on EV mode. When you press EV mode, it will be running on EV strictly. Yeah, it will be strictly running on EV. And then it has the normal hybrid modes. You go to reverse, and then it will give you the reverse camera there. You go to neutral, and then you go to drive, and then B. Those are the normal modes with all these hybrids that have the ECVT. And of course, you want to run your AC here, and then wait. Okay. And then of course it has the nano thing, the one that purifies your air. And you want to put it at auto, and then obviously reduce to really low, and then you'll be getting it has really huge vents for the AC out here. And then this is an aftermarket radio. It's an aftermarket radio. I love the dashboard. It's huge. I love how huge the dashboard is. And then I love how the roof lining at the driver's panel here is. It almost looks like Mercedes-Benz panel. You remember the C classes, the E classes of the world, they have something like this.
For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll. From dusty road to dreams we patrol. Reviews teams, we break it down. Helping every driver in the town. For the love of cars, Uganda. Welcome to the road where rubber meets the soul. For the love of cars.
And the control, you obviously have a modern steering that has steering controls, and then it obviously goes up to 180, and then right now we are running on the EV, and then every time you step on the accelerator, it will show you how you're working. It will show you here whether you're saving power or you're using a lot of your fuel. And then I love how this is finished. These things will never get spoiled. It's only one part that will get spoiled eventually, because it's leather, but the rest of the things are plastic, which makes it really nice. It also has cruise control here, in case you're cruising and you want to leave it at cruise normal. And then you see, you'll have traction control. You can also talk on phone here. They were not connected here. I don't know why. They just did not correct. Some of them work, like the volume button works. And then here you can control the trip, yeah. And then of course the fuel, and then you have a cup holder here. Is this wireless charging? Where's my phone? No, we don't have wireless charging anywhere. And then you have storage here. And then he put a charger here. Let me see if the charger they bought is wireless is fast charging. Super fast charging. I hope. Looks like it came with the car. Okay, so you have your charger down here. You can put it down there, and then you have a cup holder here, cup holder here. You also have cup holders in the doors, obviously. You have an airbag here, you have a curtain airbag here and here, and then you also have curtain airbags in the rear. So which makes the car makes it really safe, for instances when you overturn. And then you have storage space here. It's quite hidden, but it's there. Makes it very nice. And yeah, so let's look at the engine. Let's look at the engine. It also has parking assist. So let's go and look at the engine.
For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Reviews teams, we break it down. Helping every driver in the town. For the love, for the love, for the love of cars, Uganda. Welcome to the road where rubber meets the
Come. Now, the hood obviously opens normally like every other hood. Kaliwa. It's here. And under here, this is the 2ZR FXE. Now, for the guys that drive the Toyota Wish has the same engine, but eyobayita 2ZR FE, yeah? Enebera FXE nga Prius. This is the same engine that you can find in the Toyota Prius. Some Priuses have the 1NZ FXE, but this is it. Now, this is our engine. And then, this is our motor. Osegedde, eno ye motor yaffe y'amasanyalaze, eno ye engine yaffe. So right now the engine is running. You can feel the sound. The engine is running. Now what the engine does is it runs, and through the motor it charges the battery. Now when the battery gets some power, it goes off. Now it's off. The fans those are fans. Chowdiecho fan, because the AC is running. Now it goes off. Right now the entire system of the car is running on the battery. Obviously ABS and a bunch of other modern things. This is powerful, but it gives you about 98 horsepower, the engine alone. But combined with the motor, then you get about 109, 110 horsepower there. I want us to go on the road and have the driving experience to see how it moves on the roads.
For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol.
Let's start from the point of us actually starting the car. I've shut it off. It goes off like a normal car. And you have your key here. Some of the Priuses, you actually have to push the key into the car. This one you don't have. It's a push to start. So when you start it, immediately, it will do the normal thing, show the normal lights, and then it will go on. See here. When you're driving hybrid, the moment you start it, I'm going to put it off. It's off. When you start it like this, it will bring the word ready. Now when the word ready comes, it means it's ready to start moving. Now let's see how it moves. So normal cars, it's a normal car. Now the engine has come on because the battery has sort of lost its charge. And then you'll obviously put in drive, and then when you put, because this is an electronic handbrake, when you put in drive, it disengages automatically. Get it? And then obviously we go, and we're not going to go on the highway, so we'll not be able to see what cruise control does. But as you drive, it goes on and off of the engine. Yeah? Let's see how it handles. It actually has very good speed. Look there. Very good performance. Good performance, and it handles very well in the potholes as well. Yeah? Now, look here. As you drive, it will show you whether it's just using the charge, whether you're in economic mode or you're using power. If you over accelerate, don't go. If you over accelerate, it will show you that you have gone to power. So now that means you're starting to consume a lot of your fuel. I want us to go into the pothole road, and then we see how it handles the potholes.
We lead the way, track your car, no games to play. Restore the past, drive into tomorrow.
We are already high up in the air, and yet the CHR actually gives you a very good vibe. Woji parking and be baby, because it's very stylish. We are in a Maram Road right now, and it handles very well. It handles quite well. The vibration, it doesn't bring a lot of vibration from the ground. It is silent. The soundproofing is actually very good. And I love the way it shows you that, you know what, now you're consuming a lot of power. if you want to save, then reduce on the accelerator, and that's a very that's nice. That's nice. Now, a lot of people will say the CHR is low. It's not really low. It's the extras that come with the bumpers that make you feel like it's low. It handles very well. Yeah, I'm intentionally doing that. Well, this car has been given to us by Thai Motors. Yeah, they have these on sale, quite a number of them. And yeah, you can check them out and see. And of course, don't forget, you need inspection. I'm your man. Hybrids should be inspected thoroughly. Let's see how it handles corners. Whew. Lovely, lovely. Now, this will give you between 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, guaranteed. Guaranteed, because for about 50% of the time you're going to be on battery. Right now we are on battery. Look here. Every time the car is moving around here, down there, it means you're using the battery most of the time. Now, when you go to eco mode, it will be giving you a mixture of engine and battery, depending on how much you are stepping. Now, when you overstep, then you go into using the power.
We break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's got a tale. Village try to see the scale. We talk the truth, not just a brand, for car lovers across the land. For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll.
Now, if you're looking to buy yourself a car that gives you the SUV feel, that gives you the vibe of not in the country, you know, the misery that we have, some of the misery that some of us have in Uganda. If you buy a car like this one, it will almost make you forget the misery. Starting from the seats that almost hug you all the way, very comfortable, very sturdy, giving you the leather, while also giving you this, which makes it hard for you to oversweat. You know, the fully leather cars, you'll have this and then you'll be sweating. Well, this will actually take that away. The interior that is not ordinary, the exterior that is different, and then of course you're driving a model 2007, which is nice. And then you're driving an engine that is known for its reliability, the 2ZR, yeah? And then the Toyota Hybrid reliability that nobody has ever disputed. This is the car for you. Well, if you have liked this review, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with a friend of yours. And of course, thanks to Thai Motors and the rest of the people that give us their cars for review. We don't take you for granted. Until next time, guys. Ciao.
Review teams, we break it down, helping